20 Unknown Facts About Robert Pattinson. 1. Robert Pattinson was born in London, England on May 13, 1986. 2. Pattinson started his acting career in 2004 with a small role in the television show The Haunted Airman. 3. He rose to fame in 2008 when he was cast as Edward Cullen in the Twilight film series. 4. Pattinson is also a musician and has released several songs and music videos. 5. He is a trained pianist and can play the guitar, bass, and drums. 6. In addition to acting and music, Pattinson is also a talented photographer and has exhibited his work in galleries. 7. He has a younger sister named Lizzie Pattinson, who is also an actress. 8. Pattinson has a fear of flying and suffers from anxiety when traveling by airplane. 9. He is a vegetarian and has spoken out about animal rights issues. 10. Pattinson is known for his sense of humor and has a reputation for being a prankster on set. 11. He is a fan of the band Radiohead and has cited them as a major influence on his music. 12. Pattinson is a private person and rarely discusses his personal life in interviews. 13. He has a close relationship with his Twilight co-star Kristen Stewart and the two have been friends for many years. 14. Pattinson is a supporter of various charities and has participated in fundraising efforts for organizations such as Stand Up to Cancer and the Go campaign. 15. He has a fear of clowns and has said that he finds them terrifying. 16. Pattinson is a talented cook and has said that he enjoys experimenting with different recipes and ingredients. 17. He is a fan of football, soccer, and supports the team Arsenal. 18. Pattinson is an avid reader and has said that he enjoys reading classic literature and poetry. 19. He is a fan of the television show Breaking Bad and has cited it as one of his all-time favorite shows. 20. Pattinson is known for his unique fashion sense and has been featured in numerous best-dressed lists.